I represent a small community of entrepreneurs from Gilgit-Baltistan. Gilgit-Baltistan, which you all know for its beautiful landscape, for its beautiful culture, and all the other things which it is known for. But also a Gilgit-Baltistan where the youth leaves their home behind and come to cities for their higher education and for other employment opportunities and other things. Why? Because we do not have such opportunities, we do not have good higher institutions in our area, we do not have employment opportunities, we do not have industries in our area. So our youth at their young age come to cities for their survival and for their careers. My name is Abdul Najib and I'm an entrepreneur. I figured out that the solution to all the problems of youth of Gilgit-Baltistan is entrepreneurship. You can create employment for people through entrepreneurship. So my journey just as another Gilgit-Baltistan's youth or another student started from Gilgit-Baltistan and I moved to cities for my higher education. After my higher education, I was working with a multinational telecom company, and I always had a dream that I want to do something for my community which creates happiness, which creates peace, which creates prosperity in my area. So I figured out that entrepreneurship was the solution to that, because you can create development, you can prosper peace, and you can do all such things through entrepreneurship. So I was doing job, I was in a corporate sector, I was on a managerial position in a telecom company, but I was not fulfilling my life goal. I didn't want to just earn and spend money, so I wanted to do something for my community from where I grew up. I wanted to pay back to my community where I've learned things. I came to cities, and when in the meantime when I was studying and when I was working in this company, I would go back to do career counseling programs throughout Gilgit-Baltistan. I've done career counselings in our university, Karakoram International University. I've done career counselings in other colleges and schools as well. And when I was looking at those students who were listening to me during counseling, I could see myself in them. I could see that when they would complete their degrees, when they would come out to market, they were going to face problems like I did, like every other youth does. So I wanted to do something for the solution of that problem. I wanted to create some employment for people so that those people prosper, those people find employment in their homes, so that their families and they prosper in their respective areas. After doing my college, like I said, I came to cities for my higher education. I did my experiences in my job, and in the meantime, because my bigger goal was entrepreneurship, my startups, I started Ibex Productions, which is a media agency. We are based in Islamabad and we are giving services all over Pakistan. I also found Ibex Communications, where we have retail stores throughout Gilgit-Baltistan, where we have created employment through their domain as well. I studied finance and business, so I also founded Ibex Corporate Consultants, where we are providing corporate services to companies not only in Gilgit-Baltistan but all over Pakistan. Besides my startups, I also joined PICE. PICE is Pakistan Innovation Summit for Education. I serve as Director Entrepreneurship in PICE, where we are working on health sector, we are working in education sector, we are working on peace, we are working on community development, and there too not only in Gilgit-Baltistan but also in other parts of Pakistan. We are incorporated in 2014, and since then we have been working on various projects. And I said I was working in a corporate sector, but my life goal was not being fulfilled. I didn't want to just earn and spend money on myself. I wanted to do something for my community. So a few months ago, I resigned from my job and I full-time got engaged with my startups, and also engaged with social projects, PICE. And we are working currently on creating employment throughout Gilgit-Baltistan. The first major project that I would like to mention here, I'm so pleased to announce that we are working on e-Rozgar program Gilgit-Baltistan, where we are training students for freelancing market, because Gilgit-Baltistan is such a place where you do not expect big industries to come, not anytime soon. The reason of which is that geographically it is disconnected, is kind of remote from the rest of the southern cities. So we have to work on some sector where you can survive, you can create employment quite easily, which is not dependent on a lot of things, which is not dependent on Karakoram highway, which normally gets blocked when it rains for some time. We have route problems, and it's quite distant from cities. So we are working on creating an ecosystem in Gilgit-Baltistan, and for which we have started e-Rozgar program in Gilgit-Baltistan with a collaboration of GB government with the government of Gilgit-Baltistan. We on this first pilot project are planning to graduate 150 students. We will train those students to freelance in different domains. We are creating employment for them. Once they will be trained in their respective domains, they will be placed in market, not necessarily in cities, but we will also give them places and give them with facilities like internet, power and other things, so that they just stay there, work and they earn money from it. So the basic vision is to create employment through IT, and we are thankful to government of Gilgit-Baltistan that they are supporting us on this project. So the point is to, when you have good economy, when your youth gets employed, you do not have problems. If you see throughout Gilgit-Baltistan, one of the major problems because of unemployment are the health issues. We are seeing a lot of suicidals throughout Gilgit-Baltistan, and the primary reason of which is economy. The primary reason of which is unemployment. Once we all know that in Gilgit-Baltistan we have a lot of schools where students graduate, but the employment opportunities are very limited. So what I basically try to achieve is that we want to create employment through my own setups, through PICE, through collaborations with government, and we are also working on a new venture. It is called GB Tech Valley, where we will incubate all those startups which people are starting in Gilgit-Baltistan. We will mentor them, we will train them with new ideas, and we will also make a space for all those people who will use our space to do freelance. They will sell their products online, and they can earn good money for themselves. So it's good for the economy of Gilgit-Baltistan. It serves my motive, and I look forward that in 5 years we have a vision that in 5 years we are looking forward to create 5,000 jobs in 5 years. And if we continue with the government of Gilgit-Baltistan, we can do big with that project of e-Rozgar. And we are also in coordination with Google. We are also in coordination with Facebook, that we can utilize their budgets as well. They are also interested in working in remote areas like Gilgit-Baltistan, and we very much look forward to engage with such big companies who want to invest in remote areas. And this in the end will serve my cause. This in the end will serve the need of the people of Gilgit-Baltistan, which is creating employment through entrepreneurship, and also separating peace, and also relieving people through it.